Hi everyone, welcome to DEBE Learning. Today we have Stevenatu's mother with us. Stevenatu is learning maths with DEBE Learning. So let's jump into the video to know more about her journey. So my first question is to you that why did you choose online math classes for your kid?
Well, I saw the advert on Facebook, and I
Okay.
know my daughter is lacking on math. And saw the review, which was good, and the price was also affordable
Okay.
for my pocket. So I
Mm.
go in for it.
Okay. Great. That's lovely. So if I may ask, why did you choose specifically DEBE Learning for your kids' maths classes?
It's because of the review. Because when you saw the advert, you
Hmm.
see the way they advertise it.
Okay.
Because I went for a lot of trials. It
Hmm.
was not DEBE Learning. I went for a lot of trials. But because of one, it's a one-to-one, and secondly, it's twice a week. That's why I go
Okay.
for it.
Okay, so you tried with multiple other online platforms.
Yeah.
So one thing you liked was that these classes are one to one and twice a week. So you went
Mm.
with DEBE Learning.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So how is your overall experience with DEBE Learning till now? Anything you want to share you like about it or any feedback?
Yes, because my daughter is really relaxed. She's fine with the tutor.
Okay.
Yeah, she's okay. She told me she's okay with the tutor. And I think she's understanding it.
So my next question to you is, what is your feedback about the instructor who is teaching your kid?
She's very good. If you want me, I can call my daughter to give her a review. She have been always giving her. She told Mama I give her a star. She's good and she's happy.
That's lovely. So before ending this session, I would like to ask you if you would rate DEBE Learning on a scale of 1 to 10. What will be your rating?
In terms of the way they do their things, if it's that, I will give them 8.
So yeah, thank you so much for your feedback. That means a lot.